Today, I'll be showing you how to pay for your goods on 1688 using your local bank card, whether it's Mastercard or a Visa card, without needing any agent or a middleman. If you've ever had issues completing payment on 1688, then this guide will help you save time, reduce stress, and avoid unnecessary costs. In the past, buying goods from China through 1688 was quite stressful, especially when it comes to making payment. You could easily find good products at great prices, but paying for them was always a major problem. Many people had to rely on money exchangers to convert naira to yuan. This often came with several issues, such as poor exchange rates, delays, trust concerns, and sometimes even scams. Another option is using Alipay. However, setting up an Alipay account was not easy. It required verification, linking payment methods, and sometimes you will need to submit your personal documents. Even after successfully setting it up, users still faced challenges like transaction failures, account limitations, or even temporary account restrictions. This made the whole process frustrating, especially for those trying to run a business. Now, things have become much easier. You can now pay directly on 1688 using your local bank card, either Mastercard or Visa card, without needing any third party. This method is simpler, faster, and more convenient. Step 1.
Open your 1688 app or website, but I personally will be using the app. Now search for the products you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy a phone case now. So I'll type in phone case and search for it. Then I'll look for the one I want. Let's say I want this. Then I'll come down. No, let's say I'll add to cart. Then I'll pick the color I want. Let's say I want this orange. I'll pick orange and come down to pick for the phone I'm buying for. Let's say I'm buying for, let's say 16 Pro Max. I'll pick one. Or if I'm buying two, I can pick another one, making two. Then I'll click add to cart. After clicking add to cart, I'll come back to the home page. Then click cart. Then it has been added to my cart. This is it here. Then if I want to buy, I'll just click this. Then I'll click checkout. It will take you to this page. Review your order details, including product information, quantity, and your shipping address. It's usually your agent's warehouse address in China. Ensure everything is correct before you proceed. After you are satisfied with what you are seeing on the review page, what you need to do now is to click submit order.
It will load and take you to the pay now page. Go ahead and click pay now. So you can see they have new credit or debit card. Click add card. Wait for it to load. Then it will display the page that shows the card details. Enter your card details, your expiry date, and your CVV number, and also the card holder name. After entering all this information, click confirm and continue. Then it will bring you back to this page. This means that your card has been successfully added, as you can see it on the page. Now click the circle beside the card to indicate that you want to use this card for the payment. Then click pay now. If you have enough balance in your account is not restricted, international transfer is enabled on your account, then you shouldn't have any problem. Your payment will go through and your order will be placed. Make sure your card is enabled for international transactions. This is very important. Here are the important things you should know. Ensure your bank allows international transactions. Make sure you have enough money in your account, including extra possible charges. For example, if you are buying something of 5,000 naira, make sure you have at least 5,500 naira or even 6,000 naira to be on the safer side. Always check seller ratings before making payment. Now you can easily pay using your local Mastercard or Visa card in just few steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guide on how to buy from China and grow your business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to help you out. And if you want more tutorials like this, let me know. See you in the next one.